We're going to talk about the Little Rascal. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better. And today we're talking about an Arneis wine from the Langhe region in Italy, specifically from Roero, which is where most of the Arneis wines in the world are grown or come from. You know, the best part about this particular wine is it's a screw cap. Arneis is a white wine. How about that? It's think about Arneis as number one, it's something very under the radar, something that you need to start exploring now before it explodes in popularity. It's medium to full body. It has fairly low acid though, maybe called low to medium acid. So it'll probably be good for a Chardonnay drinker. It will definitely have, if you enjoy Viognier, Arneis is going to be a really good wine for you to try. And they're still very reasonable. And just like a lot of Italian white wines that I find, they're surprisingly delicious. And they're just under appreciated. So when we think about the flavor profiles for Arneis, you're going to get flavors of peaches, apples, perhaps some honeyed notes, and there'll be a little bit of a floral, it could be a floral note to the wines. Given the fact that they're, sort of middle of the road in terms of weight and acidity, they're going to be great with a roast chicken. They'll work well with fish. And they really bring out the flavor in, or I should say the other way around, some herbs bring out the flavor in the wine. So parsley, tarragon, things like that. If you're cooking anything with that, it's going to work with an Arneis wine. Let's see what this one gives us, because this was pretty reasonable. It's an official DOC wine from the Roero, Denominazione Origine Controllata, excuse me. This guy's imported by Kermit Lynch, so he's done the hard work for you, and you can trust Kermit Lynch. 13% by alcohol. This is who is this? Tintero, Roero, Langhe Arneis. Boy, I'm a mess today. Let's see what we get. Kiwi, lemons, a little bit of, I'm going to say bicycle tire, but it's very mellow. It's not a sharp bicycle tire like you get in some Rieslings. And I'm going to go peachy, because there's a fuzziness coming up through the wine that I'm getting. So it's reminiscent of peaches. Lemon, peaches, mellow bicycle tire, and whatever else I said. Kiwi, yes. Oh, that's a nice one. There's a touch of a bitter note on the finish, but not overbearing. Like a pleasant bitter note. That it's much more appley when it's on the palate. So the kiwi, the lemon, kiwi, and peachy kind of turned into an apple with a bitter edge. Still going. It's a pretty decent finish for a light wine. And there's something a little perfumey about it. So maybe that's that floral note that I said you can get in these. I didn't get it on the nose, but definitely getting a little bit on the palate. So when you're looking for an alternative to Viognier, an alternative to Chardonnay, even an alternative to Sauvignon Blanc. It doesn't have the acidity, but it's sort of in the same family from a weight perspective, at least this particular wine. I think this one's approved. This is definitely drinking it in, approved, and I think it's another reason why you guys need to explore the Arneis grape, explore the wines of Roero or the Langhe, the white wines from that region. I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks for joining. Cheers!